is one of the hottest tourist spots. Another thing I've seen here, they sell the same things, alcohol, all this alcohol, cocoa water, everywhere you go. Alcohol, cocoa water. You don't see a lot of outdoor variety of street food. You don't see that a lot here, which is very shocking. I thought a place like this would be having a lot of street food. No, you got a lot of alcohol because people here love their alcohol. So, yeah. And I don't know if it's a law to make the restaurants have sell more. They block. They block the. Oh yeah, that's nice. They block the street vendors from selling food. Yeah, it's not like in Asia, Thailand, where there's food on every corner, different type variety of food. That's one thing I expected more like now I need some sort of a snack, a salty snack, like a piece of beef, a piece of shawarma, even a fish. But I'll have to go to the restaurant to get that, sit down, wait. I don't have time for that. See? That's what they sell, coconut water, candies, nothing salty. Yeah. That's the only area I'm disappointed really, because I thought Brazil was going to be different when it comes to food, but it's not.